Now let's look at the numeric and special formatting. So in some numbers, sometimes we need to put something. So suppose you need to put dash or some phone numbers to put brackets in each number. So it's difficult to put dashes or numbers in each time, so it will kill our time. So here in Excel you can format numeric and numeric numbers in special ways. So here, from after clicking the right clicking, you can see here the format cells. So from here you can format it in different ways. Like here different options are here for number formatting, like general, then number. Here it's given the sample. So for currencies, it's given the samples like this. So for like special, here you can use special for formatting tools here. So from here, suppose this is a social security number, then there will be dashes here. So if you put OK, then this will be the, if you just put here, then this will be the dash here inside the data or number. So very easily by selecting all, and here I am showing you again format cells, and then you choose whatever you want, and special, like I'm choosing the social security number, then okay, then you see the difference. So within a click, every numeric format has been changed. So now I'm showing you another thing. Here is a sales figure. So if I want to see the dollar sign, so you can select all the figures here. I'm selecting all the figures here, and I want to see the dollar. So from here you can see the accounting number format. By clicking here, you can see the English dollar, English United Kingdom, Chinese. So we want to see the English pound sign here, or English dollar sign here. So after clicking the sign, all the data, there is dollar. So within a single click, you can change or format thousands of data. So it's a very interesting place to organize. It's an interesting software, interesting application to organize your data in more professional ways without killing your valuable time. So let's go to the next lecture.